So find the given circumstances, find the answers to the questions. Now, here's another secret for the twos of you, all of you, actually. You have a definition of a scene. Look for the to insert the answers into that definition. It's in a place that doesn't change, a time that is unbroken, with people who don't enter or exit, that is influenced by the past. I lived in San Francisco, now I live in fucking Crescent. Oh, I have to move to this shit. Or, oh, I just love being here. I don't know. And this scene influences what comes next. All those definitions, those formulas I give you are to plug things in so you don't forget, and to plug things in so it may enhance or stimulate your imagination for more specific given circumstances. No, it's just like, I think, I'm not sure, I guess, none of that bullshit. It should be firm. I see them as this. This is in this neighborhood that I've seen. You see, because, and this is why I'm an asshole with this. If you believe your answers you have discovered for the questions you have created, you enhance your belief in the situation, and then it's easier to play. If you have, it's kind of like, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. You don't believe anything that's coming into your creative wheelhouse here, your palette of creativity. And so when you go to perform it, little chips of falsehood pop off of you, and you have to push harder to try to make us believe this. But in trying to make me believe your bullshit, it just rings false. So the more you can make truth out of this creativity and these given circumstances that you are creating for this assignment, the more I believe you. You see? Now, if I took Corey and said she's in a basement, and I shot this for you, and nobody else is there, I'd put you in a metal chair. I'd put you in some boots and a baggy jeans and a, pea coat or some shit and a hat. I don't know. I figure it out. And I'd light you in a certain way where it's all on you. And I'd put sound of the people that are there. So I would create that with the truth that you gave me. But you'd have to believe in the shoes or the boots and the jacket and the chair, and how the chair makes you feel and who you're speaking to make this play, to make this piece of film sell. You understand? But if you don't believe that you are firm enough, passionate enough, no nonsense, and you try to come as sweet so that, thinking that everybody loves your sweet side, we won't believe a word that's coming out of your mouth. Okay? I hope that makes sense. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about tonight. So that's the dealio. Okay. So that's just a primer to get you in. As y'all see in my diagram, there are oodles and oodles of things to do to a piece, to prep. You don't need it all for this, but you want to ask questions daily. And read this stuff in the morning and read it out loud at night, so you can hear it in your mind, and you can hear it from your mouth to your ears. You'll get two different. You'll affect your instrument different when you read things in your head and then come back and read it out loud. You might see it or hear it differently, and it'll open up your creativity. You should do that twice a day. Okay. And again, make sure you physicalize. It means put it in your body. Why? When you go to auditions, if you're already conditioned to physicalize your choices, You're not the actor sitting in a chair going, yes, and so I was, having fucking auditions. Oh, you guys have never been on the other side of the chair for an audition, but looking at that after 20, 30 times could drive anybody crazy.